we'd like to emphasize that all the travel overseas of the Vice President is covered by a travel authority and did not include any public funds, did not use any public funds.
Morning, Sir. Katrina Domingo from ABS-CBN News. Hot topic online nowadays is the travel expenses of the Vice President. So far, under the 2025 budget, how much has the OVP spent for the Vice President's trips abroad?
Thank you, Kat. The question will be answered by Attorney Calvin Tenido.
For 2025, around more or less around 20 million has been obligated for the travels of the Vice, for the travels of the OVP, and including the expenses of the security personnel and the civilian personnel.
Ito po, in particular, are just foreign trips. Hindi kasama yung trips to Davao, Cebu, Mindanao. All foreign expenses lang po itong 20 million.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, for the 2026 budget, how much has been allocated for the Vice President's trips abroad?
For 2026? Okay. For 2026, the allocation is 20 million for 2026 NEP. This is the lowest allocation since 2023, and the highest allocation made was 31.5 million.
Sir, last question on the topic. For 2025, ilang % na po ng travel expense allocation yung natitira? And how many countries has the Vice President been to that covered 20 million pesos?
Can we move to the next question muna? I'll check lang in the data.
Sige, sir, balikan niyo ako, ha?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Kelvin. For our next question, we have Jai from Bombo Radio.
Sa tingin niyo po ba, will the Congress reduce the Office of Vice President budget when deliberating the General Appropriations Act?
Of course, it has been always the position of the Office of the Vice President that we submit to the wisdom of the Congress. However, we would appreciate it much if the recommended budget for 2026 would be maintained and approved for the OVP.
Okay. Thank you, Asek. And then for our next question, we have Zach from Inquirer.
Medyo different topic lang po. Vice President Sara Duterte previously said that she will be going to Bicol. I believe she said na magkakaroon ng sectoral gatherings together with OVP. Pwede po manghingi ng details kung ano po yung plans niya during this trip.
Unfortunately, Zach, we cannot provide details on this one. We are here. We would appreciate if the questions would be centered around the budget proposal.
Okay po. Pero okay lang po ma-confirm. But with OVP naman po itong program na to, yung trip niya sa Bicol region.
It has been announced already by the VP that yes, she will go to Bicol. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Zach. And then we have Sir Kelvin.
Going back to the question earlier, the total travel expenses of the OVP as of July 31 is 20.68 million. I stand corrected with the statement of 20 million for the foreign travels. The 20.68 million, 13.21 million of which is under local travels and 7.47 million under the foreign travels of the OVP.
Okay.
Out of 20.68 million as of July 31, 13.207 million under local travels, and foreign travel, 7.473 million. 7.473.
Sir, ilang percent po ito nung total allocation for 2025?
More or less 25% for the foreign travels, and for the local travels, around 40%. 40 for the local. As of July 31, the balances are 17.585 million for local and foreign 24.03 million.
Sir, paulit yung foreign, sorry. Balance for local, 17.7575.
Balances as of July 31, under local travel, 17.585 million. Foreign travel, 24.026 million.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Kelvin, for follow-up, ma'am.
Good Good morning po. Belia Carriazo from the Philippine Star. Sir, based din sa a record ng media, at least 13 foreign travels na tama ang nasa listahan ni Vice President. And can you identify these countries? Sa katuloy po ba yung sa Nagoya and yung sa Tokyo this September 20 and 21?
Okay, thank you, Ms. Bella, for the question. Okay. On the matter of the foreign travels, no, we'll have to get the details on this one on the number of destinations. But we'd like to emphasize that all the travel overseas of the Vice President is covered by a travel authority and did not include any public funds. Did not use any public funds. Thank you. Ma'am, I cannot provide information on regarding the travel of future travels of the Vice President. We'll have to check on her schedule.
Sir, just to clarify, you mentioned that the travels of the Vice President have been covered by Travel Authority and did not include public funds. So saan po nagastos yung 7.473 million for the foreign trips?
The 7.47 million was utilized for the security personnel of the OVP and including the close-in or the civilian personnel.
Tama po ba na so far, every time na magta-travel si VP Sara abroad, ang covered niya po is her personal expenses as well as her family's expenses. But as for her security, that's still under taxpayers' money. Under the OVP fund. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we have